In this video, I'm going to show you how I made my first prototype of the electronic board game that I'm making that plays sounds from RFID cards. So let's show you how I did it.
Don't stop, take my hand. 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 Lead me to your love. I have had enough of your silly games. Lead me to your love. I have had enough of your silly games.
My prototype turned out great, but there were so many design flaws that needs to be fixed for the next version. So stay tuned because I'm gonna design another version for you to watch. So thanks for watching.